Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are back to the our agenda that is TOTD, Teacher of the Day, and now I'm gonna show you introduction about Mikrotik. Okay, let's go. The first, Mikrotik is a Latvian company that specializes in that development of the network hardware and software. Founded in 1996, Mikrotik has become a leading provider of cost-effective and powerful networking solutions for a wide range of applications, from home networks to enterprise-grade infrastructure. So, so many startup company and small business using Mikrotik hardware and software. Because what? Because Mikrotik have effective cost. That's not so expensive to for startup business. That's why so many startup business and then startup company, small business and company using Mikrotik to making his network in his company. And then Mikrotik have effective cost in his hardware that is like router board. Mikrotik is so cheap that you can use to make network in your companies, and you have software that's cheap that you can buy for your startup business. Because of that, Mikrotik make it a good hardware and software for a low cost. Next, invented the Mikrotik? Mikrotik was founded by John Trolley and Ernest Atkins. He is a Latvian computer engineer and entrepreneur. Trolley started the company with the goal of creating high-performance, affordable networking equipment that could compete with more established brands. He assembled a team of skilled developers and engineers who have continued to innovate and push the boundaries of what possible with networking technology. So, John Trolley and Ernest Raskin, his friends, make first Mikrotik in using Linux. Using Linux with together and make a program to make uh, connective Mikrotik software. Use like Linux kernel 2.2. That's still all. That's old Linux that he used, and he have around 10 member to help them. Next is what is Mikrotik? Network operating system. Mikrotik is the best known for its powerful network operating system router OS, which can turn a generic computer hardware into versatile router, switch, firewall, and more. So Mikrotik have a good and solid body in his hardware. So many hardware that make it by Mikrotik like router, switch, access point, and other. Because of that, Mikrotik so in complete have Mikrotik have a complete have so many hardware like router, switch, and anything that's in network hardware. That's why Mikrotik be uh, always chosen by startup company and small business. Next is hardware. It's hardware platforms. Mikrotik also manufacture a wide range of dedicated hardware platforms, including the popular router board series, which offer a variety of form factors and performance level to suit a different networking needs. Mikrotik have so many series in his hardware, like in router. Uh, there is a series like 941, and then series 750, and then there is series 751. There is so many series in his router. That's uh, 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 in one uh, series is different have a different performance. That's why he make so many series to his router board, and then he have a series to his switch, his access point, and anything that Mikrotik have in hardware. Next is comprehensive networking solution. Beyond this, the operating system and hardware, Mikrotik provides a comprehensive suite of networking solutions, including wireless access points, switches, and security appliances, all designed to work seamlessly together. That's all about hardware and software. Mikrotik is working together to make a good connectivity internet in small business or startup business. That's why uh, Mikrotics is so good for beginner people to make a networking in his uh, place, on in his room, on or in his building to make a good connectivity. Next is key features of Mikrotik routers. You have a robust routing. Mikrotik routers offer advanced routing capabilities, including support for a wide range of protocols, static and dynamic routing, and comprehensive quality of service QoS controls, or mean quality of service. So, Mikrotik can doing routing, so many routing like dynamic routing and static routing. That's Mikrotik can do it by his router board. Next is versatile firewall. The built-in firewall in Mikrotik routers provides robust security features, including stateful packet inspection, user-based access control, and advanced filtering options. In Mikrotik, there is a firewall that can secure your router board, and you can block the web that you need to block it to your client. That's why Mikrotik is so good because there is a firewall in the chip router board. The next is wireless connectivity. Many Mikrotik routers include high-performance wireless radio supporting the latest Wi-Fi standards and offering features like multiple SSD support and seamless roaming. Mikrotik have a wireless connectivity. You have one antenna in one router board. Like not all router board, but there is a series that don't have antenna in his router board. But Mikrotik wireless is so good for a cheap router board because it can to be access point and be a station like a repeater. That's why Mikrotik is so good for beginner to making connectivity. Next is common application of Mikrotik device. There is a home networking. Mikrotik routers popular among home users who need a powerful, customizable, and cost-effective solution for their home network, including features like advanced parental control and VPN support. So you can set up Mikrotik in your home to making a good networking. The next is small business solution. Mikrotik devices are well suited for a small and medium-sized business, providing reliable high-performance networking infrastructure with features like load balancing, VLAN support, and remote management. You can make a good setup Mikrotik in your small business solution because Mikrotik is so cheap and he have a good feature that Mikrotik give it to you from the router bot. Then okay, next is internet service provider. Mikrotik router OS is widely used by ESPs around the world who rely on its robust routing, advanced traffic shaping, and easy to deploy configurations to provide reliable internet service to their customer. In outside, there is so many internet service provider to make his connectivity to his client. He using his router board, using his switch, access point, and other that Picotic have in hardware. Next is enterprise-grade networking. For a larger organization, Mikrotics offer enterprise-class network solution, including high-performance router, switches, and wireless access point that can be easily integrated into a complex environment. In Mikrotik, you can have a good achievement because Mikrotik give you a there is an exam of Mikrotik. Next is Mikrotik device setup and configuration. The first is initial setup. Setting up Mikrotik device typically involves connection it to a power source, configuring the basic network settings, and ensuring internet connectivity. The second is advanced configuration. Mikrotik Router OS offers a powerful and comprehensive web-based interface, as well as a command line interface for advanced configuration and management of the device routing firewall and other advanced network features. The third is monitoring and maintenance. Recording device provide robust monitoring and reporting capabilities, allowing network administration to track performance, identify issues, and apply software updates to ensure the network remains secure and optimized. Last is Mikrotik routing and firewall capabilities. Robust routing. Mikrotik routers support a wide range of routing protocols, including OSPF, BGP, VRRP, and allowing network administration to build a complex and redundant and highly available network topologies. The third is advanced firewall. The built-in firewall in Mikrotik Router OS offers the packet inspection, step, stateful throttling, and granular control of all traffic routes, enabling comprehensive network security and access control. The next is traffic optimized. Mikrotik routers provide powerful traffic shaping and QoS capability, allowing network administrator to prioritize and optimize network traffic based on various criteria, such as application, user, or bandwidth usage. The last is VPN support. Mikrotik Router OS includes built-in VPN capabilities, including support for popular protocol like PPTP or L2TP, and OpenVPN, enabling secure remote access and site-to-site connectivity. Okay, maybe that's all about introduction about Mikrotik. That's maybe you can know it about that. Thank you very much, guys, for listening this TOTD video. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.